subscribe the channel. 6.7 Class Conversation Practice. Read. R-E-D. Read. The rose is red. What color is the rose? The rose is red. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. The sun is yellow. What color is the sun? The sun is yellow. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. The parrot is green. What color is the parrot? The parrot is green. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. The balloon is blue. What color is the balloon? The balloon is blue. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. The pumpkin is orange. What color is the pumpkin? The pumpkin is orange. Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. The brinjal is violet. What color is the brinjal? The brinjal is violet. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. The crow is black. What color is the crow? The crow is black. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. The radish is white. What color is the radish? The radish is white. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What are primary colors? Primary colors are red, blue, yellow.